Out of the economy, employers added 187,000 jobs in July, a slower pace, but a sign the Fed's efforts to tame inflation may be working. At the same time, many companies still struggle to find skilled workers. With more on that, here's Tom Costello.
That buzz in St. Paul, Minnesota is the sound of automation. Small business Delkor Robotics has doubled in 3 years, building machines that can package 600 food products per minute. What's your read on the economy? Is it slowing down or is it still strong?
We see an economy that's still strong.
CEO Dale Anderson wants to hire another 40 to 50 employees by year's end. The challenge? Finding qualified workers. Half the staff have engineering bachelor's degrees. The other half have associates in robotics or automation. What are you looking for in an employee?
The number one thing we look for is a good attitude, a desire to learn.
I'm wiring these push buttons to some terminals.
Like 20-year-old Alexis Barnett making $27 an hour with no debt.
When I do go out with my friends, I'm the only one that's not worried about how much we're spending, where we're going, how much gas is going to cost.
Minnesota's unemployment rate, 2.9%. It's among the lowest unemployment rates in the country. And with 185,000 job openings in Minnesota, that's the third most on record. While job gains are slowing nationally, wages are up 4.4% in a year. National unemployment near record lows, 3.5%.
And as today's jobs numbers make clear, Bidenomics is working.
On the factory floor.
It's a pay for skill knowledge, so the more you learn, the more you get paid.
Say 3 to 4 years in that field of robotics, you should be making close to, if not more than, $100,000 a year.
That's a good salary.
It's a great salary.
Upward mobility, even without a 4-year degree. Tom Costello, NBC News, St. Paul, Minnesota.